Hi kids, let's learn three-letter words. A N T ant. A N T ant. A X E X. A X E X. B A G bag. B A G bag. B E D bed. B E D bed. B O Y boy. B O Y boy. B O X box. B O X box. B U G bug. B U G bug. B U S bus. B U S bus. C A P cap. C A P cap. C A R car. C A R car. C A T cat. C A T cat. C O W cow. C O W cow. C U P cup. C U P cup. D O G dog. D O G dog. E A R ear. E A R ear. E Y E I. E Y E I. F A N fan. F A N fan. F O X fox. F O X fox. H E N hen. H E N hen. H U T hut. H U T hut. I C E ice. I C E ice. J A M jam. J A M jam. J U G jug. J U G jug. K E Y key. K E Y key. L O G log. L O G log. M A T mat. M A T mat. M A N man. M A N man. N E T net. N E T net. O W L owl. O W L owl. P A N pen. P A N pen. P I G pig. P I G pig. P O T pot. P P-O-T, pot. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y, toy. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip.
Thank you guys. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.